Hello and welcome back. So in this video I'm making a pair of wedding rings in 9 karat gold. For the rings I'll be using some D-band wire, a 3x2 for the ladies and a 6x2 for the gents. So I'm just going to make a start by bending the wire around a mandrel, at first by hand and then assisted by a hammer, before resorting to some ring bending pliers. I then measure it up and I need to get it from a size W to a size S. So I mark off 4mm I intend to remove and saw it off. And then use the pliers to reconnect the two ends. It's still one size too big, so I remove a little more. And once it's to size, I solder the ring. With the first ring now taken shape, I'll go on to the second. Being a lot thinner, I can manipulate the metal far easier, and manage to overlap the two ends so I can measure it and make a cut. This ring is going to be a size R. Once I'm happy with the shape and size, I make a cut, close it and solder. This ring is slightly warped, so a few strikes with a wooden hammer puts it back in shape. And then go about filing the surfaces of both rings. Once the filing is done, I turn to using a watchmaker's lathe to sand down and polishing the ring. Once the outside is smoothened out, I can then sand the inside. and then polish with Triple E to remove any small marks left from sanding, and then finish up with rouge. And there you have it, the making of a pair of gold wedding rings. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.